Well, welcome back. Today, against better judgment, we're gonna do a little cut up my hood project. I've got some race louvers in that are gonna let a bunch of the air out and should work perfect for drag week. So follow along and we'll cut up my perfectly good hood and make the car cool a little better. And just like that, with a little bit of crying and a little bit of cutting, we have a finished vented hood ready for drag week. I'm off to my buddy. He's gonna paint the louvers blue to match the hood so they don't stand out, they kind of blend in and it looks like a professional job. And we'll get these things here installed here in the next couple of days. Big shout out to raceloovers.com. They ship those super quick, and the guy worked with me getting the exact measurements for my hood. Even though they had standard louvers for my 94 Camaro, I had a aftermarket cowl hood, and he used my measurements and had something on the shelf that that fit really well and should help the cooling quite a bit in the engine bay. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out. We'll get them installed and do some highway testing here before drag week. Well, 2 days later, a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of friends, a lot of pulling strings, and we have a finished product. So we got the louvers installed, got them painted, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. It should provide a lot of cooling out of the engine bay while we're driving down the road. I had to get rid of my hood struts. We had to cut out the bracing to make room for the louvers. There was a minimum requirement of 2 to 4 inches behind the radiator for maximum cooling. So it is what it is. I'm really happy with the finished product. It reminds me of Formula One, the new 2022 cars. They've got all the venting louvers on the side of the engine, venting everything out, and they're painted the same color. They blend in. You hardly even notice they're even on the car. So I'm really happy. RaceLoovers.com. Al over there helped me out and got me fixed up with a custom set that fit my car. So thanks again. We'll see you guys on race week, hopefully with even more cooler temps than we had before. So thanks.